Hello, and welcome to another episode of Better Cocktails at Home. We're in the Quarter Deck Club here, our home bar, and in this episode we're making a drink called the Gold Rush. Now this is kind of a take very similar to a very traditional old drink called a whiskey sour, which I'm not a huge fan of whiskey sours. This one I actually like very much. So it's very similar, but we'll make it and we'll kind of see the difference, and it'll be really simple and it's really tasty. And so this cocktail, this is a book called Regarding Cocktails, and this was created by T.J. Siegel, and it's just nice to give credit when people do this. And the interesting thing about cocktails is T.J. the first person who's probably combined these three ingredients in this way? Maybe, it's possible, probably not, but you never know. But anyway, they're going to take credit for it. It's a good cocktail book. It's a great drink, and we're going to make it right now. So we'll see what that difference is between a whiskey sour and the Gold Rush here in just a second. We're going to start with 2 ounces of bourbon. Lately, I've been using Knob Creek as just kind of like a standard pour for me. It's got a little bit, it's 100 proof, and I like it. It just worked well. It's a good price point. So 2 ounces of this. Add that to our shaker. So next up is honey syrup. So this is the change from a whiskey sour. Whiskey sour would probably just use like simple syrup or sugar even. And so this is honey syrup. So honey syrup is just equal parts water and honey. Very simple. And we're going to do 3/4 ounce of this. We have a video on how to make honey syrup, so if you're not totally sure or want to just have a little more guidance, go for it. But it's very simple. Next, we're going to do 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. And we're going to be adding this in. All right, so that's it, 3 ingredients. I love a good 3-ingredient cocktail. We're going to add our ice. And we're going to shake this like the Dickens. Part of the reason we shake so hard is obviously chill it, add aeration to the cocktail, get some nice foam on it. So there's a variety of reasons we want to shake it with a little bit of purpose. So now this one goes into a double rocks glass with a nice big ice cube. If you have clear cube, that's great. I don't happen to have clear ones on hand at home right now. And we're going to make sure we double strain this because we put lemon juice in this. And there could be little pieces of the pulp, etc. Just makes for a smoother cocktail. But that's it, 3 ingredients. It's called the Gold Rush. Yeah, I just like this drink a lot. It's very simple, really tasty. Like I said, I don't know, I've tried whiskey sours. Usually whiskey sour is whiskey, simple syrup, lemon juice, and then often an egg white, sometimes not. For some reason, that drink just seems super boring to me. This one, I just like the honey it gives to it, and it just turns it into a really nice drink. And I think it's really interesting how you take basically one 3-ingredient cocktail, almost the exact same, swap out the sweet component to it, and you get something very different and very delicious. But that's how you make the Gold Rush.